Hey guys, welcome to the video. This video is part one of our trip from Chester, Maryland to Marathon, Florida. The first section of this video will be cruising over to St. Michels, and the second section will be exploring St. Michels. So enjoy the video. Okay guys, here we are. Day one of our trip from the upper Chesapeake Bay to Marathon, Florida. It was a pretty nice day, kind of sunny. Look really calm here. Once we got out into Eastern Bay, we got a bit of a chop here, which wasn't that bad. We had a couple hitting us on the beam, but for the most part it was okay. Here we are entering Knapp's Narrows, where we stop up here and get some fuel. This is on Tigman Island. There's a fuel dock. This guy was really great here. He has pads to clean up a little spill. He's really nice guy. So we stopped here for a little bit. And now we're back on our way. Fred and Keith are coming up the channel now. You can't quite see them, but they are there. They had the bridge raised for us, and away we go. If you look up here on the right hand side, the commercial crab boats are up here, not him. They're smaller boats. They're not like the big boats in Florida. These are a Maryland style boat. There you go. This guy's back in his end. Really nice area. And we're leaving the channel now, getting back out into another bay, and we'll be making a turn up here and heading into St. Michels. Okay guys, here we are at our anchorage. Nice little spot. We're getting ready to go for a little dinghy ride here, going into town. This is the next day.
What are you doing?
Going for a dinghy ride, people.
You want to get ready?
Okay, away we go. Hey Keith, don't feel bad. I grounded the dinghy yesterday.
You grounded the dinghy? We all want to ground yesterday.
Yep, every one of us went to ground yesterday. Well, as soon as you get off the dinghy at the dock here, you're coming into a nice little park. I noticed a covered bridge over the other side here, so I took a walk over to take a peek. It's basically a hiking trail with a bridge that goes over this water we're in here. Cool church. This guy out. Some little ducks in the window here. And a horse. The peppery redneck.
Yeah.
On my phone with.
You know why the lid doesn't make sense to you? How do you? They were made for shipping across the ocean.
Yeah.
Burger on the side.
There's something you don't see too often. A drawbridge on dry land. That's the entrance to the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. And there's the bridge. And there's an interesting house. On the other side of the road now. Maybe I'll buy a gimbal for myself for Christmas. There's an idea. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Oh, what do we got here? Let's see. It's a duck. Hello. Thank you. They turned this old factory into a bunch of stores. Just walked out of the rum place. There's a cigar place. Up there's a bar. Used to be a factory of some type. Not sure what. Car museum here. This is a 1955 MGTF. Really nice shape. Chrome is beautiful. Next to it we have another MG. It's a 1953 MGTD. I think the TF looks a little bit nicer. Everybody knows what them are. Let's see what year we got here. 1956. And here we go, 1957 Bel Air. Not my favorite cars. This one's clean, nice shape. Not my favorite cars though. That one is clean though. What we got here? A 1910 International Harvester. Look at that. 1910 International Harvester. Farm truck from the Hilltop Farm in Maryland. Trawler, Maryland. That's just cool. Look at that truck. Oh, you can open the panel up. Look at that, belt drive and chain drive. What's that little fan under there? Oh, it's air cooled. Look at that. That is cool. That is cool. Look at this. It's a belt-driven fan to cool the block. That is cool. Nice car. Can't get in there to get any closer look at it, but it's a nice car. And back over here, we got another T-Bird with the hard top convertible. This is a 1954. And we have the Corvette here. This is a 1957 Vet. Wish I could get you closer, but it's just not possible. They got them all roped off, these ones. They must be show winners or something. There's a Mustang Fastback. What's it say on here? Boss 429. Boss 429 Mustang. Look at that motor on the side of there. Oh my God. Here is 1969. There we go to 68 Camaro Z. '69 Camaro Z28. Nice car. That's from New York. In 2022 it was in there. It was up there. Original hubcaps, red line tires. Nice. And we got a pickup truck here. 53 Ford F100. I guarantee that is not stock paint. Oh, look at the wheels. That's a resto mod. That's what that is. It's a resto mod. I'm sure the camera's not going to do that paint justice at all. Okay. And we have the Ford 5 window here. Ford 5 window coupe. Got the wife's seat in the back, the rumble seat. This way the guy can drive in peace. Next to there we have a 1931 Peerless Master 8. Okay. That's an interesting car. Check out that tire. Look at the size of them headlights on this baby, huh?